Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best steam cleaner that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Shark S5003D Genius Cleaning Steam Mop. The fastest way to steam clean your floors is with an upright, mop-style steam cleaner, like the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Pocket Mop. This steam floor mop is designed specifically for sealed hard surfaces such as tile and sealed hardwood. Once you've filled the 11.8-ounce tank with water and plugged the mop into a nearby outlet, it's ready to clean in minutes. During in-home testing, the cleaner performed well on hardwood floors, granite tile floors, and porcelain tile floors. It has electronic steam control, allowing you to select from the 3 steam settings with just the press of a button. The machine-washable, double-sided pads offer plenty of surface area for collecting dirt and debris. A special steam channeling system ensures that steam is distributed evenly across the cleaning pad, making the most of the 12-inch cleaning path width. Moving on at number 4, we have Duprey Neat Steam Cleaner. Not all steam cleaners are recommended for use on the carpet due to the available settings or attachments for the appliance. But if you struggle with stains on your carpet or rugs, a steam cleaner offers a way to remove stains with just the power of water. The Duprey Neat Steam Cleaner has what it takes to clean carpets, rugs, upholstery, and more. There are no wheels to maneuver it from room to room, but it only weighs about 9 pounds and has a retractable handle that stows away inside the cube when not in use. Right away, our tester found this product easy to operate and use. After filling the 40-ounce tank, a glowing icon on the front of the cube turned orange, providing a visual notification that the boiler inside is hard at work. In all actuality, it takes about 8 minutes to heat the water, which is 1 minute longer than what is advertised but isn't a deal breaker. At number 3, we have Pure Enrichment Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner. Sanitizing tile and cleaning grout lines can seem like a chore, but the Pure Enrichment Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner offers an easier way to enjoy fresh floors. Of all the steam cleaners we tested, this model has one of the largest water tanks, making it perfect for cleaning many square feet of tile flooring. It also features oversized wheels so it can easily roll behind you on your cleaning conquest, in addition to a handle for better grip when going up and down stairs in your home. It earned a 5-star rating for portability and also for the simple setup process, which took just under 8 minutes. When testing the Pure Enrichment Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner on tile and grout, it removed a soy sauce spill in 2 minutes flat. The large trigger was easy to use, and our tester described its maneuverability as smooth. At number 2, we have Costway 2000W Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner. If you want to deep clean just about anything in your home but don't want to spend a ton on a steam cleaner, the versatile Costway Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner is the way to go. It comes with 19 accessories, so you can use it on everything from floors to furniture. Your testing team was most impressed by how quickly the cleaner heats up compared to other picks. Setting up the cleaner also met your tester's expectations, earning it 4 stars for this attribute. With 19 accessories, it's obvious that this steam cleaner is designed to help you clean every nook and cranny in your home, garage, outdoor space, and car. Your tester wished the cleaner head with extension tubes pivoted better. It wasn't a deal breaker, though. It's just something to be aware of if you have large areas of flooring you plan to clean at one time. And finally at number 1. Bissell 1806 Power Fresh Deluxe Steam Mop. If you're looking for an alternative to your favorite steam mop, the Shark S5003D Genius, check out the Bissell Power Fresh Deluxe Steam Mop. It's a favorite among shoppers and steam cleaning enthusiasts. The Power Fresh excels at delivering quick and maneuverable steam cleaning since it can heat up in just 30 seconds and weighs a mere 6 pounds. Its mop head can be fitted with either soft or scrubby re-washable mop pads. One of each is included, but even cooler is the ability to detach the mop head entirely, revealing a coarse scrub brush for scouring tougher stains. There are several other small but useful design touches, like an attachment point on the handle for storing the separate water cup used to refill the mop's 19-ounce. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.